creating their own storms in a state-of-the-art lab. It could...
A 5-foot-long tank is the first simulator in the world capable of creating a Category 5 hurricane over water.
Greetings, my gentle people, Off Topic TV again. Yes, guys, I come to talk about Hurricane Melissa. People in Jamaica are saying that this hurricane is not a normal hurricane. People are saying that this hurricane is a man-made hurricane. Yes, guys, so here's a video where in the US where they're making their own hurricane Category 5 in a lab, guys. Yes, watch this video.
Y'all need to listen to this.
Creating their own storms in a state-of-the-art lab. It could end up saving lives.
Saving lives.
Mark, good morning.
For sure. That's what they want to do.
Good morning. This tank gives scientists and the rest of us a view no one has ever had before. What a hurricane's power looks like at water level as it storms ashore. In just 2 minutes, scientists here can take calm waters and turn them into a monster hurricane.
You there, man?
The wind is gradually getting stronger and stronger as it's coming up here, and it's ramping up to a Category 5. It's probably about a Category 3 right now.
This 75-foot-long tank is the first simulator in the world capable of creating a Category 5 hurricane over water. Brian House is the director of the University of Miami's new laboratory at the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science. What was it like when you cranked it up the first time full blast?
It was stunning. I mean, it was it was chilled.
Nearly 40,000 gallons of seawater fill this tank. House uses a computer program and a single 1,700 horsepower fan to whip wind speeds up to 157 miles per hour.
This tank is the largest wind wave facility in the world. We can generate an extreme Category 5.
You hear that, guys? What the scientists say? They can make an extreme Category 5 hurricane.
We can generate an extreme Category 5.
Now, I love how some people are going to see that and be like, yeah, science, they're trying to save us. Meanwhile, they have full-blown machines set up. This is in Alaska. This is called HARP, High Active Auroral Research Program, run by the military, by the way. The military. And it's 360 antennas linked together, beams ELF waves in the ionosphere and creates hurricanes, tsunamis, anything, literally anything, any weather events. Yeah, this right here. Look into it. Oh, and if you don't believe me, maybe you should look into the hundreds of patents that the United States holds for weather control, manipulating hurricanes. Like this one right here, method for controlling hurricanes. By flying many jet aircraft with afterburners to change direction or intensity, what they're saying is they're cloud seeding, to change direction or intensity. Did you guys see how the hurricane that hit Jamaica just completely changed direction and intensity? Wasn't supposed to hit it. Completely changed its direction and its intensity and then smashed Jamaica. Hurricane and tornado control device. This is the HARP-related patent, broad patent discussing transmuting electromagnetic energy along magnetic field lines to alter regions of the atmosphere, commonly cited to discussions about HARP and weather modification. Processes and apparatuses for moderating the intensity of a hurricane. Describes measures for moderating intensity in marine regions. Weather management using space-based power systems. Describes using solar microwave power to heat parts of a developing storm. Why don't you go look all this stuff up yourself? All these weather events, they're doing it. Deeper agenda. You need to wake up. Peace and love.
Yes, my people. So what do you guys think? They even mention about rain seed, in which people even saying that they know they can rain seed in the sky and let rain fall. So if they can do something like that, what else they cannot do? You understand what I'm saying? All right, check this video out.
Did you know the U.S. once tried to control the weather and use it as a weapon of war? In the 1960s, during the Vietnam War, the government launched a top-secret mission called Project Popeye. The idea was simple, but terrifying. Use cloud seeding to make it rain, whenever and wherever they wanted. Military planes sprayed silver iodide into the clouds above Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Within days, torrential rains flooded enemy routes, turning roads into rivers of mud. The operation lasted for 5 years. It destroyed crops, displaced civilians, and caused chaos far beyond the battlefield. Yet the world had no idea it was happening. The U.S. military had literally weaponized the weather. When the project was finally exposed in the 1970s, people were horrified. Nature itself had been turned into a tool of war, and no one had given consent. If science could make it rain on command 60 years ago, what else might be secretly controlled today?
Yes! Jude!
So guys, I hear about the rain seed that the US government used against Vietnam in the 1960s. You understand? So you can see something, well, the Jamaican people say something suspicious because even the government they're attacking when you say something like this.
You ever seen that video?
No.
Pull that video up.
Suffice to say that the area that we have been advised is the best area to do an entirely new city, and it is because all the requisite elements to create a new city exist here. And you don't want to create a city that replicates Montego Bay and replicates Kingston. You want to create something unique. And therefore, this parish, St. Elizabeth, would be where we would be looking to develop our new city.
When I told you all there's nothing normal about the storm that transpired or whatever happened in Jamaica wasn't normal, a lot of people came for me underneath my post. In case you never know, let me tell you. Remember what happened in Hawaii? And with Miss Winfrey taking up the people them land and land grab it going on. Me telling us land grab not go on. Me telling us that this was all about land grab. Nobody can't claim land unless them have title. No found a title get washed away and want to go down at the title place to go get on a title. Them telling us that they can't find it. Me not ask you know, the telling us that none no exist. Oh no have not no more. When the government I take everything and sell it to the other people them.
Smart people, tell me what you guys think. You can leave in the comment section, right? Because what this lady is saying now, St. Elizabeth is the place where you get the most damage, and that's where the Prime Minister mentioned that's where you're gonna put this new smart city. So that's why she's saying that things go down, they know about this, they try to do this to cleanse the land, like get the people of the land, so they can build this smart city right here. Oh boy, I'm telling you guys. Love Topic TV.
Right! You serious?